All right, so I guess it's about 3 weeks later, 4 weeks later, I don't know. But so this is my little update of the Focus ST I just got. I got a while ago, about a month ago or something like that. Anyway, specifics don't matter. So I did a few things and I'm loving it. I got the Cobb V3 access port, which is amazing. So check this out. I wanna give a little tip to those who might have come across the same problem I came across, because there wasn't no videos for this and I couldn't figure out what I did wrong. So last weekend, me and my wife went to the mountains, and I'm popping the hood. Me and my wife went to the mountains, and man, I was driving like a beast up there, you know. I was enjoying the car, you know. I got a new cold air intake, blow it down to the turbo, and then I did a blow-off valve. And man, I was pushing so hard, and I told my wife I felt like I felt a thump. I wasn't 100% sure what it was, and no check engine light came on, nothing like that. I called a couple shops. I called the dealership. You know, we talked about it and see if we can figure out what it was. They couldn't figure out what it was. I couldn't figure out what it was. So I went to my old basic car knowledge, and I checked air, fuel, and spark. Spark plugs were crap. I replaced them, but I still wasn't a problem. So I'm like, what the crap is it? And I was only getting like 7.5 pounds of boost, full throttle, and my air fuel ratio was good. Everything else was good. It was just that was my only issue. And I come to find out, I know this is a retarded thing, man. The blow-off valve, the vacuum line, they went to the blow-off valve. It was on there, but I guess it wasn't sealed tight completely, and it messed around and popped off, and it caused me to lose boost pressure and a lot of power, because I would floor it and it would feel like it was spongy, but it wasn't you know, it wasn't doing anything. And so man, I changed it out. I cleared all the codes through the Cobb, the V3, and man, it was amazing. It worked so much better, sounds so much better. But let me give you a little clip of the sound of the clip of the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? We'll do right here. So I've been driving around, so it's not exactly a cold start, but I love how the turbo sounds. Let me give you a little gas, give it some gurgles and pops or something.